पहली बात तो हमने ना इस चीज पे बात की कि हम ऐसे प्योर चीजें
तो पॉइंट बोलना था ना।
हाँ तो सही तो पता नहीं क्या चल रहा था, मतलब ऐसा चांस ही नहीं
माइक ही
लगा
तो
कि
नहीं दे रहे। पॉइंट बोलो अपने।
पॉइंट बोलना था, हमने तो हमारे पॉइंट भी बोले, डिफेंड भी
वो
करा।
वो वाली चीज हो ही नहीं रही थी। ऐसा चल रहा था जैसे पता नहीं किसी फालतू सी चीज पे बहस करते। अब ये एक बोलते ट्रांसपोर्ट, अरे वो ट्रांसपोर्ट एक नेटवर्क है, अगर विलेज कनेक्टेड है तो वहाँ भी ट्रांसपोर्ट है,
अगर सिटी
वहाँ
पे
नीड नहीं है इतने ज्यादा की।
अरे तो सिटी पे है जो चीज जो है हमारे पास, हम तो बोलेंगे।
एक चीज और, ये तो पॉइंट है कि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिटी में बढ़िया है, और है।
बढ़िया
तो
नहीं है,
सुनो,
वो नेटवर्क का पॉइंट है एक जहाँ से चीजें कनेक्ट होती है। विलेज भी तो कनेक्ट हो ही रहा है ना उस चीज से।
तो बस से हो रहा है ना, ट्रेन से नहीं हो रहा।
हाँ
तो मैंने
तो
बोल दिया पॉइंट।
वो सही मान लो कि वो
पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट है,
हाँ,
बट अगर एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी जाना
हाँ
है
नहीं
तो वो
चलो
कहीं विलेज
वो
से निकलेगा ना।
एक ऐसे मान लो कि
ऐसे
वो
हम
एक
खुद के
वैलिड पॉइंट
ठीक है।
था। ठीक है सुनो मेरी बात सुनो,
हाँ,
वो एक वैलिड पॉइंट था, ठीक है। उसके बाद दूसरी चीज थी क्या था, पानी। हाँ
वो तो
पानी
इनको बोलो।
तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गुड क्वालिटी।
हाँ ठीक है, ये भी अच्छी बात है कि हाँ हम इजीली पानी हम जहाँ चाहे वो खोज सकते हैं।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Devin Parik. Today we are going to debate upon city life versus village life, and I'm in favor of city life. So, as we see in city life, we have a lot of advantage than village life, and we have more development than village life. Yeah, that's it.
So as you said that you have development in the city, so even we also have development in villages also, I am talking about the education, medical facility, and many more things also available in the villages. In ancient India we have less facilities in the villages, but right now we have much more facilities. If I am talking about the infrastructure, people build big buildings, and we have network connectivity also in the villages, and medical facility as I mentioned already. So and transportation also available in the villages, and people are uh, people are purchasing on vehicles also. So that's type of facilities are existing in the villages also.
And I think developments means not only big buildings. It means a better healthcare system in the that are available in cities, not in village life.
In village also there's also healthcare, like hospitals and medical stores, and like good doctors exist there. And it's not like that there's a no medical facilities, and education system is very powerful nowadays. In ancient time there's also teachers who will teach you about things, and you can get basic knowledge and basic education from village also. So it's not like that in village you can't get knowledge. If these colleges and these schools they are established in city, if the same school or college will stabilized in villages, they will give you the same education. So as you said that the buildings and the vehicles are not the scale of development and the betterness of city life or village life. So education and healthcare system is not the that kind of thing that you can measure the development of a village or of a city by these things. These only depend on a hospital or a school or college.
I think hospitals are, as you mentioned, are available in village, but they are some primary hospitals. In cities, we have a mohalla clinic or a dispensary type hospitals. They provide only a uh, basic primary healthcare system, not for a major disease or also things.
But not always people have major disease. In some conditions they need that things like a major treatment for their major situations. But sometimes people just get fever and cold, that kind of thing, so they just need primary treatment for their situations. So I don't think so that it's very necessary to have big hospitals everywhere. You can go to a city for your treatment when you need more facilities and specialized treatment.
I will give you an example for that. So many people lost their life because of these situations. Because in village, big hospitals or for lack of facilities, so many people lost their life. For example, in my village, a big hospital for Jaipur is around 350 kilometers, and so many times it happens that people lost their life to reach Jaipur for a big disease, or like a condition of a heart attack. If any person get a heart attack, then in if you we are option in the a better hospital nearby us, then we can reach easily. But in the village, it is not possible.
It is this challenge face we can face in the city also, like in city we have major hospitals but we have limited option. We don't have an major hospital like 1 or 2 kilometers, so that time if you are living 30 kilometer from the hospital or much distance, so you have to travel and you have to face the traffic challenge also. So that time it's became the big challenge for the life, and in this case we can lost our life also. And if I am talking about the other part of health, apart from health, in city we have lots of traffic, and the factories is being installed day by day in the cities, so population is increasing by day by day. So it's become very unhealthy for our life, and people are uh, getting so many disease by this pollution.
And one more thing, you just mentioned that in heart attack case and any like snake biting and these kind of situations, you can consider like a emergency situations, and you have to get treatment in some time and put your life in danger. So for these situations, some of injections are available in market and also available in village hospitals. They give you that injection and you can easily get to a good hospital.
As you mentioned, there are industry or factories are increasing day by day in cities, but it's not a problem because government provide some make some rules, made so many rules that the industries now in day nowadays not in the cities, they are outside of the cities. Like in Jaipur, VK industrial area are developed far from Jaipur cities, main cities, and it's not a problem for the cities life.
Still you can't deny for that city have more pollution than a village. It's many reasons behind that. A lot of vehicles, less plants, and also a lot of things happening in a city, because in city people living in a small area, a huge amount of population, so they produce a lot of pollution here. And by this pollution there's so many disease caused day by day. So you can't deny for that, like not only industries cause pollution, a lot of any reasons that are cause pollution in cities.
Uh, I can't agree with your points because it's not for cities, only for cities. Uh, Pollution are reason for lack of government also. There are so many cities in the world
We
that
are not discussing about
so
who is
many
the reason
so
behind
many
that.
big cities are available in the world that reduce their pollution level they for by planning. Like in India, a city Chandigarh, it's developed in a planning way, and so many cities are those unplanned. They face that kind of problem.
Still you can't say that in a city there's a less pollution than a village. And we are not discussing about government, the reason behind this pollution is government, the public, or the industries. We are just discussing about the pollution, and the pollution is higher in a city than a village.
No, in village also, uh, so many types of pollution levels. If they are also unplanned. Some villages are ideal village, but some so many villages they face many types of problem in pollution also.
As we can talk about a development and transportation system, there is a like a many villages who come from buses to Jaipur and then they get train. So we have more transportation system than village life.
In village also, there's a strong transport system.
We have transportation in the villages also, but we have less number of people, so that's why we have less transportation facility also. So it reduce we cannot deny it for the pollution in the villages also, but we have less pollution in villages, so that's why our life is going good, and people are cultivating the crops in their fields. So this crops, environment is getting good air from the small plants, that's why. So we have good environment in the villages, and we can get easily good air also, but in the city we have bad quality of air.
No, I think it's not a point. You hear every year that from Punjab villages, pollution transfer from Punjab villages to Delhi. That means in village also so many kind of pollution levels, and so many villages have like dirty environment for cow ducks. They place here and there. So many kind of pollution are in villages also, like they burn their crops.
Like he is saying, there is a lot of village in Punjab side. They burn their fields. So to get a to grow some new fields or new crops. So when they burn their like old crops, they get a lot of pollution in their villages. That is point.
But they do like this only in a 1 year, like twice, 2 or 3 times. But in if I am talking about the Delhi NCR, we get lots of pollution on daily basis. So if I compare to the village to Delhi, we have more pollution in Delhi.
But when they burn their fields and if they are doing a 2 or 3 times or multiple times, we don't know how many times they are doing. If they burn their fields, the pollution will get, and the wind flows, the all the pollution come to a Delhi or the nearby places.
And there is a no need to burn all types of crops. There is a limited option to we have to burn limited crops. We don't need to burn all the crops.
But when they burn their crops, the pollution flows, and that's why the city life will get affect with it.
So
And in village, there is a multiple factories to like there is a lot of factories who like make their bricks and all of things. That's why there is a many pollution will get and affect in city lives.
I already mentioned that I don't deny it for the pollution, but I want to mention that we have less pollution. In city, the traffic is running 24 into 7, but if we in villages we are making the food, so we only make food like 2 or 3 times. So as comparison, we have less pollution. I am not denied about the pollution in the villages. I mentioned that we have more pollution in city, that's why we are getting bad quality air, and we get disease from the air also.
I also mentioned previous that it's not city versus village. If a city are better planned way, then we can't face that kind of problems. If a city are unplanned, then we face that kind of problem.
But as you mentioned that government make rule for the factories and like that, but when you are doing some activity and it generate bad air, then what is the reason behind of this rule, government rule? Eventually they generate the bad air, and they generate pollution. So there is a no use of this rule. And if I am talking about the water level in the villages, we can get easily water from in just 50 to 100 feet from the earth. But in cities we have to uh, we have to dig around 400 to 500 feet for wall well. We get high fluoride in the water in cities, and we can get good quality of water in villages easily.
It's a wrong point, completely wrong.
We can use filter water also.
You can
In
use, but after that the we filter the,
One minute, I want to interrupt you. ये जो पानी वाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं जमीन के अंदर की प्रॉब्लम ऊपर सिटी की और विलेज की नहीं है बहुत सारे विलेजेस में भी ऐसा पानी होता है
have better job opportunity in city life, and a lack of option are available in the village. That's why all the youngster are migrate to city in day by day.
In this point you are fully wrong, because village students are preparation for mostly army and defense fields. They are not coming in cities, they are going to in army field, so they are served for nation, not for city. That's it.
So you are agree with my points that there are lack of option available in village, so they only option for army, right?
Not, this is not correct, because environment is in the village areas are surrounding areas, and environment is this type. They are only chosen one field, their defense fields.
No, I think you are completely wrong. A few percentage of people are preparing for army. Many students are for preparing other exams, and they also transfer to cities after getting job. And so many people are going to cities for private job also.
you just said about job opportunities and these kind of things so if you are living in a village there's a different kind of job opportunities you can get work there you can earn there and feed your family and yourself and in city also there's a lot of people they have lack of education lack of skills and that's why they don't get jobs easily not easily they can't get jobs and they're just doing um, these kinds of work like making some things that making food by theirself by some like roadside things and that kind of things so it's a problem of city and village both like in a village you can get different job opportunities in city you can get different job opportunities so you can't say that in village you don't have job opportunities and you can't do any kind of job there's also a lot of jobs present in a village and for transport you just said that village people come to a city to get train or buses for different cities and for going somewhere there's a lot of options and transport ways so it is a good example for that in a village you can get a bus or a train to go to a city transport is a network and if a village is connected to this network it's a good example for development of a village so you can't say that you cannot get any bus or train for a village and that there's a lack of transport a village have transport that's why you are getting a bus or a train to a city
What is the base for your points that village have a train transport option available? I think that
if you
said
are
that,
connected to a city by
but
a bus or by a train so you can
I can give example.
yes
I live in a village, and in my village there are no trains available. In
yes
nearby 50 60 kilometers option,
yes
train station are not available, and bus also there are a few bus that transfer to nearby towns around 15 kilometer. There are around 4 or 5 buses only in morning, around from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock only running bus, and after that no option available. As you said, many people are cooking food on footpath on in cities life, right?
yes
They are peoples that migrate from village to get
and still
opportunity.
they don't get a job
Why they didn't get job? Because of in village there are a lack of infrastructure, so that they are not skilled, unskilled peoples, That's why they cannot getting a job. If they are born in a city life, then they get a better job opportunity also.
So you just said if you are born in a city, you can get a job, and if you born in a village, you can't get a job.
I didn't say it. If you are born in a cities, you have a better opportunity to education and for to get skill.
Where
We are
you
we
can
are
get
we are
education in a city? From a government school?
from a government school,
Yes.
from a private
So government
schools,
schools are also available in a village.
but they can't provide any facilities. I can give you example in my village and a nearby village. Uh, my uncle is a government teacher, and they go to the school. Their routine, I can explain their routines. They go to the school. They play a task uh, in
Cards.
play cards every day, and get time pass. And after the evening, they return to home. And the students just going to school for get food in a
Midday
government
meal.
midday meals, and didn't any education provide in the village in a government schools.
It's not a village problem. It's a problem of a system. And in village schools, this kind of situation is going on. So same as in city school, these kind of situation may be happen somewhere and sometime.
schools
Uh,
of cities.
it means you are agree with my points that
No, I'm not
in village
agree with your
in
points.
village
I'm not agree with your points. We are just
there
talking
are a
about village or a city.
system also. That's why they can't
In a
pro-
city also there's a also lack of system and management for teachers and for schools.
no
So it's not only a village problem, it's a universal problem for.
no it's
This is
not a
also
universal
happened in
problem.
city schools.
Yes.
The village are placed in a down area. There are no systems available, and in the cities it's a center point of countries and main activities. That's why there are systems available easy
But this
control
is
all the things.
this is not the point of city of village. This is the point of education system and
Yes.
Yes,
this.
it's a education system,
So this
and
is not point.
and I compare both of the systems, and I find it. I live in a village and I live in a cities, and I easily compare the systems, and I said that cities are better than village.
But this is the point of education system. It is not the point of city and village. It is also happen in city schools. You say your uncle is going to schools and doing time pass and come to home. This is also happened in
No,
city
if they are
schools
in the
and
cities, then systems system are strict in the cities, and they have to
I saw
provide education
I
to
saw many
students.
schools in cities.
They
They
can't
are
play
doing
just a
these
card
things.
in a city schools.
But I saw in many schools of cities they are doing all the things you are say. They are going to school and doing time pass and come to home.
I think you are just saying according to my points, not you are you can't see in cities. You just
Mm,
say it.
As in previous point you mentioned that we can get job easily in city life, but if I am talking about the food, we all can see that all the food is cultivating in the all the crops is cultivating in the villages area, and city people import grains from the villages. And if I am talking about the job, when the season of cultivating, they need number of peoples in big number of peoples for cultivating, so uh, they get job that time, and they earn for the six month in a one time money for in a one time. If I'm talking about the city, we have to go office on daily basis, so we get this we get uh, problems on daily basis. But in villages, they do job in very peaceful environment.
So you are agree with my points that in village only option are available. You go to the farm and do your jobs. Unskilled job, there are no option available in the village. You agree with my points, right?
No, I'm not agree with you.
You just said that
I talked about the village job environment.
village job environment and village job are only farming, right?
They are doing farming and they have another option also.
Which option available?
Like they have government job also.
Go-
We have
They have
government is
government.
yes.
We can also get government job in city life also.
They, if they want to become a government officer, they have to migrate to city to educate, to get coaching,
It's not
and
compulsory to migrate to
and
get
and
education. If you are 10th standard,
if
past
the,
10th,
if they get job, they have to transfer to a cities to work.
how can you say we have government school, government hospital, and many government department in villages also? Like
If you are saying that ki village peoples are going to work in cities, like in villages also a schools, hospitals, so city peoples are also come to village for transfer and
For
doing our duties.
As you all three of you talking about the education, right? So the education according to you all just in 12th standard, that's it, right? But there is a multiple education system like a doctor, engineer, or a like many things that a person who wants to get that job, so they can migrate, like they can study from like they cannot study from a village, they have to migrate for a city or for another town or another city, so they can get fulfill their whatever they want to become. I agree with your point that village peoples are giving us so many multiple crops, or I agree with your point. But what about the education system in village life? They don't have a IIT, they don't have that multiple MBBS opportunities. They can't get from a village life. They have to transfer or migrate to a city life.
But slowly this is also proceed in village.
I have seen in a newspaper there is a Jaipur structure in a image form, and I have seen that the Jaipur is extending to a village culture, so the village people get affect from it. They will like transfer to in a city life, or what?
Okay, you're just saying about the expanding city area of
Mm,
Jaipur
yes.
or any city. The expansion of any city area just because of more population and less facilities. So to increase the area, government extend the city to villages. And there's a not that kind of things that village affect by that and city affect by that. There's a necessary thing for development. We can't compare these things for village or for city life. Like city life and village life, it's a basic difference. They hold their basic boundaries. Expansion is a different process. It's a process of development, and we can't talk about it for comparison, any kind of comparison, because it's a necessary thing and it will happen in future also.
Okay, as you say, the uh, population increase.
Yes.
That's why the Jaipur is extending, right?
Yes.
And as you, I don't know who said the. I think you said like the pollution is increasing. Pollution is increasing because population is more increasing, right? If we get a more population, we have a more strong social network.
But still city peoples are not connected to their neighbors also. They are just living their life there because they are that much busy in their life. They don't even have enough time to meet their neighbors, their friends, and other loved ones. So you can't say
So
that
if
city
the
people
person
have better
who is
social
connecting with
networks.
a loved one, I think they also communicate. That's why they make a loved one.
Sometimes they can't meet their family members for a long time. Like city people is a busy life, we can't deny for that. City people are more busy than a village person, and they have more work in different fields and different kind of things. So I don't think so that they have more networks and strong networks than a village person.
So, as we can say that we have pros and cons of both lives, like city life. We have peaceful environment, and uh, we have good social bond, and we have much free time in our life. But if I am talking about the city life, the city people have their good facilities, but they have busy lives. So sometime if we need someone help, so it is not possible to manage things on the times. So that's time we can face the challenge.
If a person want to live in a peaceful life, they can live in a village because village has a better peaceful life and uh, some social bonding also. And if a person wants a growth in their life, they have to live in a cities. Uh, it's a personal choice. They can live in city or village. Both are their advantage and disadvantage also.